Now you may already know a little bit about Hexnode, so let's take a moment now to find out who is Kyocera.
Maybe you've heard of us, or maybe you haven't. So let us tell you exactly who we are. In 1959, Dr. Kazuo Inamori started a small manufacturing business in Kyoto, Japan, making ceramic components. With that, Kyocera Corporation was born. In 1969, Kyocera established its first U.S. subsidiary and soon after became the first Japanese manufacturer in California. As the technological revolution unfolded, Kyocera's advancements in ceramic semiconductor packaging contributed to the growth of what is now Silicon Valley. Today, Kyocera Corporation is larger than life, with over 265 companies in over 40 countries and over 75,000 employees. In North America, Kyocera International is headquartered in San Diego, California. We have offices from coast to coast, and we create products that make everyday life better, for consumers and for business. Did you know more than 100 Kyocera components can be found within products inside the average American home? And listen to this. Almost every cell phone in America has Kyocera components inside, including our own rugged mobile devices, which provide reliable communication anytime, anywhere, and are designed to withstand some of the toughest conditions. In fact, Kyocera launched the world's first mobile color video phone, America's first CDMA slider phone, and the first mass-market waterproof phone. It's true. Our products and solutions are literally everywhere, from the bottom of the ocean to the edges of our solar system. So, there you have it. Now you know exactly who we are. We are Kyocera, and we're committed to building a better future through technology.
So now that we know both who Hexnode and Kyocera are, let's talk a little bit about the Kyocera total solution. There's 4 basic components to the solution, and that's the device, the software, the accessories, and the forward and reverse logistics of Business Select. When it comes to device, you have your choice between the ruggedized smartphone, the DoorForce Pro 2, and the ruggedized feature phone, the Door XV Extreme. For this discussion, we'll be focusing on the DoorForce Pro 2 smartphone. The DoorForce Pro 2 is extremely rugged. It's certified IP68 dust and waterproof, as well as military standard 810G. This gives you the peace of mind that both for you and employees, you have a ruggedized device that can easily get you through the day. With the addition of Hexnode, it gives you the capability to lock down the device, whether that be kiosk mode or limiting to just the apps that you or your employees need. It allows you to be as productive as you can. Additional features like enhanced enterprise-grade Wi-Fi, as well as enhanced VPN capability, and Android Enterprise support, gives you those additional key features that your business will need. A key benefit in the partnership of Hexnode and Kyocera is the low total cost of ownership and reduced cost of replacing devices. A ruggedized smartphone locked down with Hexnode gives you peace of mind that employees in the field will be productive with little to no downtime. Speaking of employees in the field, Hexnode allows for zero-touch enrollment, so devices can easily be deployed into the field. And Android Enterprise Recommended allows for timely security updates so that your devices will be safe and secure. Next in the total solution is the application. Whether you're in transportation, manufacturing, or logistics, your business has many needs and different applications to address those needs. Kyocera and Hexnode work closely together to make sure that the application you choose is certified to work seamlessly between the device and the Hexnode MDM. We work closely with solutions providers to test these solutions and make sure they work optimally on the device. And this ecosystem is constantly evolving, with new applications and vendors being added daily. Here's an example of one of the applications in the current business environment, a social distance monitoring reporting application. This application alerts users when they become less than 6 feet apart from another person. Reports can be compiled and distributed to management to reflect social distancing compliance. And it can identify clusters in the workplace and support contact tracing. With the use of Hexnode MDM, the device's location and GPS can be locked down so that it is always on and an employee cannot disable it, allowing for the application to run correctly. So what does Hexnode do on the device? It's a centralized platform for application and contact management. Hexnode leverages Kyocera's APIs for device management via OEM config, which gives you more in-depth management capabilities beyond the native features of the device. This gives you actions for scanning the device, creating device owner mode, remote controlling viewing options, data management, creating users and groups, and key device restrictions. With Kyocera OEM config, you can restrict location, software updates, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, NFC. You can disable keys, manage contacts, turn off DOS mode, as well as disabling launchers and application configuration. And HexNode MDM provides a wide variety of enrollment methods, including Zero Touch for bulk deployments and Android Enterprise recommended, making deployment to the field simple and easy. The third part of the total solution is accessories. Businesses have many different needs and challenges, and device accessories help solve problems and eliminate the need for additional equipment. Solutions such as Bluetooth scanners and mobile printers eliminates the need for additional handheld scanners. Headsets and remote speaker microphones in conjunction with PTT eliminates the need for two-way radios. And vehicle mounting solutions solves the need for DOT compliance. We have many accessory vendors to address common solutions and support all verticals. One example of such accessory is the Vibes Modular Accessory System. With a case, it allows you for plug-and-play options such as Bluetooth conferencing speaker, extended batteries, belt clips, different vehicle mounts, and a smart laser measuring tool. The final part of the total solution is Kyocera Business Select. With Kyocera Business Select, you gain forward and reverse logistics for everything from advanced device replacement to custom configuration and custom repair, as well as lifecycle management. Lifecycle management in conjunction with HexNode MDM allows for device deployment, device management, custom repairs, asset provisioning, as well as disposal throughout the life of the device. And Kyocera devices come with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, making repairs and replacement easy. Here are 2 examples of Kyocera and HexNode solutions in the field. The first is a large East Coast construction company who installs conduit and cable for major utility companies, as well as facility infrastructure. They have employees in the field in harsh weather conditions and were looking for reliable communications between job sites that were too far for two-way radio use. And they were also dealing with several broken mobile devices in the field and wanted to update those devices remotely. The solution was the Kyocera DoorForce Pro 2 with HexNode for device management and remote control, PTT to replace two-way radios, and OmniResponse for a man-down application. The next example is a major beverage company. They were looking for a solution to help with the downtime of production lines due to lack of communication between departments, and wanted the ability to communicate from different areas while maintaining social distancing guidelines. They were also looking to replace two-way radio devices that management were utilizing, as the cost for those devices were too high to maintain. There was also an issue with devices dropping from Wi-Fi. The solution was the DoorForce Pro 2 with HexNode for device management and remote control, and PTT to replace the management two-way radios, an OmniResponse for the social distance monitor, and a Klein headset for PTT. I hope you enjoyed our discussion on the Kyocera and HexNode Total Mobility Solution. If you'd like some more information, please visit our website at kyoceramobile.com. Thanks again for your time and have a great day.